It's your girl Chrissy on the beat, and we're gonna have our coffee, tea, and beat look this morning, or as we like to say, morning, because it's too freaking early for me to be up. But I'm up every day because I love to show you guys my little tips and tricks and trades and secrets and all the stuff I used to be slaying my 9 to 5. You don't have to go to work all whatever hoopty hop. Let these people see you glow. Let these people see you shine, and do it with ease. We do this shit with no effort. We do this shit with no effort. You can transition this look from your 9 to 5 to cocktail hour to like want to go out and throw that ass in a circle hour. You can kind of match this and mix and match with all different types of colors. I just kind of use a basic simple eye, but then it's all about the under eye. It's all about what's happening under here, what's happening under eye, you know. So you got to make sure your eyes are nice and bright and ready for this. You know, wake up in the morning, have your coffee, let's chit chat. I have my tea, I have my coffee with you, so you know we doing it together. You know, in the morning when I have my coffee, I'm freaking crazy. Like, let's get to know each other. Let's do this. Let's do this. Don't forget, if you like what you see, subscribe, comment below. You know that nice little bell button at the bottom? Don't forget to click it, because you know we just gonna keep doing what we do. Love ya.
Turn around and ask them what their name is. Got the bass bumping like whoa, whoa. Can't slow down, green means go. Magic money moolah, I say so. Spaghetti, bread, pesto, dough. Got the bank roll for the make a bank run. Keep popping hits, baby, here's another one. She working with that sweet, so he call me honey bun. No competition, bitch, I already won. This the start of a legend. Hell, bitch, I'm turned up. Floor hit the ceiling. Hell, bitch, I'm turned up. Then my lost I'm feeling. Blackout, no seeing. Hell, bitch, I'm turned up. It's the start of a legend. Hell, bitch, I'm turned up. Floor hit the ceiling. Hell, bitch, I'm turned up. Damn, I lost I'm feeling. Hell, bitch, I'm turned up. Blackout, no seeing. Hell, bitch, I'm turned up. We smoking, we party, you know that we drinking. Take over your body, I know that you feel it. Look into your soul and take out your spirit. Goldie the God, and I know you fuck with it. So I lay back, catch the wave. Move, bitch, get out the way. Vintage Chanel, see this way. So you must have put some blue in that Bombay. Cause I sip, sip, gone, gone, drink it all on. Doing what I want, laughing at them haters like wheels up, lights on, finna pull fun. Serve a bitch a piping hard play. She don't like lukewarm, too confident, you irrelevant. They don't understand, I'm a ticket man, I do what you can. Say it one more again, you irrelevant. Busy popping bands, don't you hear it? I do what you can.
I absolutely love this wig. It's like my easiest wig to put on. You know when you just have that hair that just does everything you freaking need it to do and lays when you need it to lay, how you need it to lay. You could take this off, brush it out, put it on, and it always slays. This is that wig for me. I absolutely love this hair, like not even a joke. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like below. Thank you for watching.